Hey y'all, it's Jen here at And With Jen. Today I'm sharing a cook and clean with me, and I'll be showing you how I make homemade sausage gravy. So if you are interested in that, stick around and check out the video. Hope you enjoy. Here I'm going to also scramble up some eggs and then saute some veggies. For the gravy, you'll need some milk. I'm using organic whole milk, but you can use whatever kind you have on hand. Sausage, this is the brand that we like, but again, you can use whatever sausage that you want. And then you will also need biscuits, either homemade or just out of the pack like I'm using here, and some flour. And then, of course, also a cute little helper. So I'm going to get this open and into the frying pan and just break it up and cook it till it's browned all the way through. And here I'm going to go ahead and add the flour in. I add about a half a cup depending on how much fat that my sausage has rendered. If your sausage doesn't render a lot of fat, you can add some butter and just do equal parts butter and flour. And then I'll go ahead and get my roux whisk here and stir in the milk. I do about 3 cups of milk and just continually stir until it's to the thickness that you like.
Still smells good.
It smells good.
It smells great. That's what it smells like, doesn't it? Doesn't it smell great, Mommy?
It does smell great.
Yeah.
Change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just a pain when you felt it all. Oh. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time
our delicious breakfast and a couple of the plates that were made up. We're gonna go eat, and then I'll be right back to get to cleaning.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
clean kitchen, guys. All cleaned up after breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you try out the sausage gravy or have a different version that you make for your family, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to see it. And as per mom life, I walk out of the clean kitchen and into this disaster. But that's okay, it's the weekend. And the kids are playing and we're getting ready to go to the beach, so cleaning will always be there, so it will just have to wait. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. I'll see you in the next one.